One more! Oh, man. Oh, man. You gotta have earmuffs near that thing.
Did you record it?
Yes, I did.
The way it echoes through the building. Oh, my God.
How's it going, YouTube? Here we are on our way to Tehachapi, where we happen to be racing this Union Pacific manifest here.
That's alright.
I hate it when the hills get in the way.
It's gonna be a while.
Here we go. Oh, it's a pretty long one, but...
Maybe we can race it and see it again.
Yeah. Just want to show you we got it. Okay, we might meet him up in Mojave.
Yeah, probably will.
Yeah, so that's a good sign. That means we're going to see a lot of train traffic up there, I hope.
Yeah, well, don't they even get more? Don't they get some from another railroad, or am I wrong?
BNSF.
BNSF. This is the Union Pacific part, right?
Yeah.
Where do they join?
Just south of Mojave. At Mojave Junction. It's like right when you get into town is where they join.
They have to share tracks. So that's...
Okay.
I know you get a lot of them.
Oh boy, camera went out of focus. There we go. Yeah, I wish I could zoom in a little further, but I can't. Okay. Okay, we'll meet up in Tehachapi.
You might want to edit that.
Okay. As we're entering Mojave, here's another manifest. I'm not sure which railroad it is, though.
It's got a lot of auto racks.
I know. It's BNSF because it's heading on the BNSF tracks. Oh, but it's Union Pacific. Interesting. So it's BNSF, but it's Union Pacific. It's got Union Pacific engines in back.
Yeah, it's got the heritage units.
No, not heritage units, just flags. Yeah. Just want to show you. Okay. A Union Pacific train has just departed out of Mojave Yard. Looks like he's stopping. Okay, looks like this freight is going to be doing some switching. Yeah. Should be interesting to watch during lunch. Just want to show you we got it before we head out to Tehachapi. Looks like it's going to be a pretty busy day train-wise, I'm hoping. Okay, yeah, we've gotten into Mojave and we've already seen 4 trains. Okay. Okay, those engines detached from the cars. The other trains at BNSF manifest. I don't like about Mojave is all the traffic getting in your way. At least Tehachapi, you're in front of the traffic. Oh, looks like we have 2 warp bonnets in the back. Nice. Maybe just one Fakebonnet. Or, no, that's a Ferromex engine. Ferromex engine. And it looks like the UP will be pulling out. Or is it doing more switching? That's what you would call it? Lone Pine Local, which interchanges with the Trona Railway. You have to wait for this train to Ferromex Ace. Seems like the Ferromex units are always I want to show you we got it. Okay. So he's probably going to be going on the branch, right? Anyways, we'll see you in Tehachapi later on. Okay. I think this train may be headed to Searles. But he's doing more switching. Not very long. Not very many cars. Dropped off cars here.
Yep.
Oops. Sorry about that, YouTube.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm filming the train.
Yes, that's awesome.
Okay, he's gonna be doing more switching. Yeah. It's been a while since we've seen switching action in Mojave.
Yeah,
I know.
It's like a second job.
well, they're putting together a train.
Yeah. And taking apart a train, too.
So I would come home, look back what I was going to call it. Put it all together.
I wonder if they're mining more borax.
They could be. Oh, and here comes a southbound coming by UP.
Forming the trains here.
Train Mageddon. It's an auto rack.
I've never seen that many trains.
Empty auto
coming through
racks.
here before. That's got a Union Pacific.
That's Union Pacific, yeah.
It's a manifest.
I hope the music doesn't copyright claim. I might just mute these clips. I can do that on Clipchamp.
I would never go.
This is why Mojave doesn't get a lot of hits on my channel.
I mean, I would always go like, that's very good sound, good job. You know? I mean, anything if it really
Oh, this is a manifest. Oh, it was an auto rack, but it's just a manifest. It's got
They
boxcars.
put auto racks on there.
Yeah, they do.
I think there might be some dealers that have tracks like that.
any food is good for you to
Well, they take the auto racks to the yard, and then at the yard, they transfer the cars from the auto racks to car trucks.
I think some of the bigger car agencies might have, I can't think of the word. It's a,
Spurs.
Spur.
Spanish rice was really delicious. I mean, when it's good food, I really enjoy it. I'm not saying I don't enjoy eating good food. I love to eat good food. The reality is, eating is just a part of life. It's like you have to eat, you have to breathe.
I just make that. If I were to cook
Yeah, I wasn't even intending to rail fan here in Mojave today. Just happens to be we have a lot of trains coming through as we're eating lunch. I was intending to wait till we get to Tehachapi to do rail
It's a
fanning.
non-stop show.
Yeah. So, it looks like this train has to stop for something.
Put cars on.
No, he probably has to stop for another train.
It's a lumber.
He is slowing down though, so that's how I know. Yeah, he's stopping. Okay.
A lot of the time, and that includes
yeah, it's just all around that.
Now in Fullerton, when they have to stop, they sometimes get out to get a snack at the cafe. I'm not sure where they get food here.
I was paying for that. Put together my own.
if you put it together the menu,
Oh.
and I knew it, I was
Behind this train, you got the switcher going.
maybe we could some of the crap or something. If it involved raw meat, maybe we could.
That
I could
units at the end of that train. EPUs.
No, those aren't DPUs. Those are the
Backing
switch. That one's backing up to do switching. Yeah,
Okay.
the one in front is a full
It's hard
train.
to tell whether they're backing up or whether they're on the back. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I just had to get that BNSF manifest that came by when you got your table.
Mojave's Kern County, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he's probably gonna be stopping. Then I'll
Yep.
just cut.
going in that direction.
Alright.
Still going.
Yeah, he's going very slow, but
Going about walking speed. Oh, that one's shifting now. It's going forward.
Mhm.
Or I can pick up some
Yeah.
Something closed, you know, closed trailer.
Or maybe he's waiting for the other train. But, oh, no, there's another train.
There's another train. That's why that other one had to stop. This is Train Mageddon. Look at all those old boxcars. A couple of coil cars, a tanker car, grain hoppers, open boxcars.
Alright guys, here we go.
Thank you. Oh, that looks wonderful.
It does. Very good.
A lot of trains
I
today.
know. Got a good day. Film.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Only Denny's has this, and this is one of the best Denny's. So. This is
If I'm not
actually really
eating,
good.
it's because I'm trying to film all these trains.
I know. Well,
But they are very protected.
you may be filming trains the whole time we're here.
I didn't hear one
Are the eggs okay? Because one time I had
Eggs are good.
that salad here. The eggs are kind of bad.
I remember.
Empty flat car.
Prime rib was really surprising.
Yeah, these are all empty cars on this northbound.
This is better prime rib than the prime rib I had at Scott's. Like 1/10 of the price, 1/9.
How come the prime rib at Scott's wasn't very
They
good?
quit serving it. You know, they're not a prime rib restaurant. Everything's good.
It's gonna be a long clip, 8 minutes. Then again, it is free trains. How am I gonna eat while holding my camera?
You're gonna have to take a break at some point. Take your time. I've never seen it this busy before.
We stopped. I'm glad we got lunch. I think we've made the smart decision, actually. I regret it.
Okay.
I just thought
Both-
of what they might be doing.
You know, safety
Getting
first.
everything in before the tariffs affect.
I don't feel unsafe.
They're hauling away all the empty cars.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're hauling the empty cars to be loaded up north.
You have anything for
DPU's shoving.
Everything in here is delicious. And it's one of the lowest calorie ones too.
This train is sure long. This is a long train.
Maybe it's endless. I should have counted the cars.
I got 10 minutes of video on here.
Great. Super.
This is gonna take forever to load.
Prime rib is really good.
Here comes the end of it. DPU's and back.
I think Wampanoag should have went for it. It's all really well cooked.
Stupid truck is in the way. And there's the end of it. Okay. Okay, here comes a BNSF freighter. Yeah, manifest. Oh, my camera's going out of focus. There we go. Look at all those lumber loads.
Well, it could be.
Obviously, this train is from the Pacific Northwest.
There's a movement afoot to spur more home construction.
Yeah, probably because
More
of the
lumber
fires.
trains. Oh, that too.
This train is almost all lumber
And they're probably
cars.
putting the lumber
With a few other cars in the
before
middle.
the tariffs cut in.
Yeah. There's some railroad ties. There's a couple of tank cars. A hopper car. More lumber. Cisco truck. Couple of empty lumber cars.
What?
So there's a couple of empty lumber cars. I like to put the empty cars on the back of the train, I've noticed.
What kind of cars?
Empty cars.
Oh yeah, I've noticed.
He's slowing down probably for yet another northbound.
I think cars in the back of the train shake a lot, and maybe it's making lighter cars. Might be some strategy. I'm not sure. Learn about whiplash.
And he stopped. Here we got a local train backing out. Boy, Mojave sub is just crawling with trains today. Yeah, it's a mixed manifest. Probably a local. Here. So, we don't really know what engine stopping. We're going very slow. Is he going to be going backwards for the entire route? That would be awfully dangerous to be doing. I think I hear the engines coming. Yeah, this is a pretty short train. Oh yeah, this is the switching maneuver. 44.9. No, this is not. This is a local shoving backwards. Alright. Oh, you know what? This is going to Trona. Yeah, this train is headed to Trona. That train hit the Trona. Cut here. I'll see you all in Tehachapi. Okay, here's another Union Pacific manifest tied down on the Tehachapi subdivision. We're not really sure why, it just is there. Just wanted to show you we got it. Yeah.
Definitely a manifest. Is that the one we saw where the tank cars were at the end? I think it is the one we saw.
No, that was the
It was going
one
backwards.
going into Trona. That one was going on the Lone
Trona?
Pine branch to Trona, yeah.
Go to Trona. Gotta go to Trona.
This one actually has a trash container on it.
Wow. A trash train?
Yeah. And behind it is the grain train. So,
I've always wanted to see the brain train.
so there's some sort of stoppage for some reason.
The winds?
No, I think it's very heavy traffic.
Train
They have to, yeah, they have to let the trains in Mojave get going before they can start up. Just want to show you, we got it. Alright. Can't really get a good view of the grain train here. I'll see you all when we're in Tehachapi. Okay, here's another southbound train that we came across on the way to Tehachapi. Yeah. Looks like a Union Pacific manifest. For some reason, all the trains had to stop. I think they're all on lunch break or something. So, we'll figure it out once we get there. See what's going on.
Might be able to stop.
Okay, here's our first intermodal train with a Fakebonnet.
Oh yeah. I think I could stop here.
Yeah, you can stop here.
And just cross.
No, don't cross. This is our first intermodal of the day. No, those are intermodal tanks. No, it's not a monster train. They don't route monster trains through here. They're too big and long. Yeah, there's a DPU in back. No, there was a Fakebonnet in front. And there's it. Okay. Okay, here comes the Z-LCLT.
Cold, I think, because I've got a cold sweater on the road. So I count the cars, might as well. I gotta show you what I bought. It was $18.
This is much shorter than your normal Z-LCLT.